Hello students, hello students. I'm Professor Dilis Ahmed. Today we are going to learn unit number 2's topic discrimination between the needs of the self and the body. So first of all, what is need of self and body? Need of self means sukh. Need of the self is sukh and the need of the body is suvidha. Sukh suvidha. These words are familiar with everyone. Sukh means happiness in Hindi language, which is opposite of dukh. Sukh means happiness in Hindi language, which is opposite of dukh. Suvidha means comfort in Hindi language, which is opposite of asvidha. Sukh suvidha. Everyone in life needs sukh and suvidha. By nature, man is fond of comfort and happiness, so he goes on making desires and ambitions one after the other to enjoy more in life. Sukh depends upon our thinking. So many times we are surrounded by materialistic possessions, but we feel unsatisfied. Okay, what is it is said? Sukh depends upon our thinking. Okay, as we think, as we sing that I am Sukhi, we are Sukhi, and when we sing and think that we are Dukhi, because we are will be Dukhi. Okay, so it depends upon how we think. Okay, people think that their happiness depends upon suvidha, facilities, facilities which are available, big house, a big car, a big bike. Okay, most of the people think that when they have a big car, a good bike, they are happy, but it is not so. Our happiness depends upon our thinking, how we think, our satisfaction, our mental satisfaction. Modern man means nowadays we people consider suvidha, facilities, as the main mission in life. They are working very much harder in life to get suvidha facilities and always try to extract more and more money to satisfy their self and give happiness to the family. Needs of the human being. What are the different needs of the human being? Physiological needs, safety needs, love and belonging, esteem. These are the needs of the human being. Physiological needs include breathing, food, clothing, shelter, sound sleep, चांगली झोप, mental satisfaction, water, air, water and food are the metabolic requirements for survival in all animals including humans. Clothing and shelter provide necessary protection from the elements. These are the physiological need and okay, these all things are the things which are needed in our life: breathing, food, clothing, shelter. Okay, so we should thank God that everyone people have. When we wake up in early in the morning, we are breathing, we should thank God. Okay, we have free food to eat, we have clothing, shelter, sound sleep, all things are there. Then also we are not happy, but we should be satisfied in our life that all things are there. Okay, so our mental satisfaction is very much important. Safety needs includes safety and security needs include personal security, financial security, health and well-being, safety net against accidents, illness and their adverse impact, love and belonging. After physiological and safety needs are fulfilled, the third layer of human needs are socially involved and involve feelings of belongingness. Okay, after the fulfillment of the food, shelter, or the thing and safety, the third layer of human beings are social and involve feelings of belonging. This aspect involves emotionally based relationships in general, such as friendship, intimacy, family, good and supportive family. Everyone needs that. Should have good friend, should have intimate relationship with friend, family. Human need to feel a sense of belonging and acceptance, whether it comes from a large social group such as clubs, office culture, religious groups, professional organization, or small social connections. So everyone want to get connected with the society. They want to get a respect over there. They want to get connected with the office culture, religious groups, social group. Okay, now esteem needs include all human have a need to be respected and to have self-esteem and self-respect. Esteem present the normal human desire to be accepted and valued by the others. Esteem means normal human desire to be accepted and valued in certain person. Few persons are giving respect to you. They are giving certain value. You always say, "अरे तुम्हाला काहीच value दे." Okay, that is our esteem, respect. When we go somewhere and people are asking you to see it, they are giving you value. You can see that the esteem is satisfied. It is their esteem needs respect. People need to engage themselves to gain recognition and have an activity or activities that give the person a sense of contribution to feel accepted and self-valued, be it in profession or hobby. Imbalances at this level can result in low esteem or an inferiority complex. This is can say this esteem is also very much important need. Okay, so in short, what I have to say that every person think that he should get a respect, a value in the society. That is also one of the need. See this figure. Yes. Okay. Understanding how self-study influence and a self-study into human being reveals that human is coexistence of I, self, antaratma and body. Okay. So as in previous lecture we have said that we should talk with ourselves I. Okay. So this I is connected with the body. Okay. So coexistence of I. There is exchange of information between it. When we sit together, lonely when we sit together in a room, we are talking with the I. Okay, there is exchange of information between the body and the I. Okay. Body act according to the decision of I and sensation taking place in body. So body acts according to decision of the eye. We should talk with ourselves and sensation taking place in body is received as an information by the eye. So what is the decision taken by the eye? That commands are given to the body. Happiness is the need of eye, while physical facility is the need of the body. अंतर आत्मा स्वतःचा आय आतलं शरीरामधलं जे आहे अंतर सुख happiness is the need of eye, but physical facilities whatever the big car, bike, big house, okay, and other physical facilities are the need of the body. The need of happiness is continuous while the need of physical facility is limited in time and quantity. Okay. Need of happiness is the continuous. Okay. Okay, while the need of the physical is limited in time and quantity. The need of the body is food, clothing, shelter, or physical facilities, and these are temporary in time. Example, when one feels hungry, he needs food but in limited quantity. On the other hand, happiness is the need of I and no limit. A person always wants to be happy. What are the activities in self? What are the activities which takes place inside? Thinking, you think inside, believing, vishwas, speaking, feel, desire, dreaming, imagining, analyzing, understanding. These are the activities that take place inside the body. Digesting, blood flow, heartbeat, breathing, nourishment. So my students, all these things thinking these things when all these things are okay inside our body, then we should thank God that this thing. We should be grateful to God that our digesting procedure is okay, our blood flow is okay, we do not have any kind of disease, our breathing in nourishment, everything is okay. Activities involving both the self and the body. Walking, when we walk, we should talk with ourselves, where we should go, and with the help of the body, we are walking. Eating, talking, seeing, listening. You can say that the self I is continuous entity. The body is a material entity or physiochemical in nature. This way, human being is thus coexist of conscious self and the material body. Thank you.